Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishneel and I will be teaching you Spanish. In today's video, we will be learning AR ending verbs. So let's get started. What is infinitive? The main or basic form of a verb is called an infinitive. In English, infinitive words include the word to along with the verb. For example, to run, to play, to eat, to work, to go, to study. These are all the examples of an infinitive verb, which includes to along with the verb. What is conjugation? Conjugation means to change the verb from its infinitive form so that it matches with the subject in a sentence. For example, here the infinitive verb is to speak and the conjugation of to speak is I speak. You speak. He or she speaks. The word speak is changing according to the subject. That is conjugation. Let's revise the subject pronouns. Yo means I. Tu means you. Él means he. Ella means she. Usted means you. Nosotros means we. Vosotros means you all. Ellos means he. Ellas, she. Ustedes means you. I hope you remember that hablar means to speak. This is an AR ending verb. That means this word is ending with AR. This is a regular AR ending verb. Let's learn how to conjugate it according to the subject pronoun. Now we will be learning the conjugation for the regular AR ending verb for present tense. The conjugation is o, as, a, amos, eyes, an. These are just the conjugation for present tense AR ending regular verbs. The conjugation for yo is o, for tú is as, for él, ella, ustedes is a, for nosotros it is amos, for vosotros it is eyes, and for ellos, ellas and ustedes is an. Now we will see how it works. The infinitive AR ending verb is hablar. Now we will remove AR from the verb hablar and conjugate it. The first conjugation is hablo. We have removed AR from the AR ending verb hablar and added O to it. So the first word is hablo. The second conjugation is hablas. We have removed AR and added AS in place of AR. The next conjugation is habla. Here we have removed AR and added A in place of AR. Habla. The next conjugation is hablamos. Here we have removed AR and added amos. So the word is hablamos. The next conjugation is hablais. Here we have removed AR and added eyes. So the word is hablais. The last conjugation is hablan. We have removed AR and added AN to it. So the word formed is hablan. So now the words formed as per the subject pronouns are yo hablo, tú hablas, él, ella, usted habla, nosotros hablamos, vosotros habláis. Ellos, ustedes hablan. The meanings of these conjugated words are yo hablo. Yo hablo means I speak. It is not compulsory to speak both the subject pronouns as well as the conjugated word. That means we can say yo hablo to say I speak, or you can simply say hablo. Hablo means I speak and yo hablo means I speak. Yo hablo. Tú hablas. Tú hablas means you speak. Él habla means he speaks. Ella habla means she speaks. Usted habla means you speaks. Please refer to my previous video to learn these subject pronouns. Nosotros hablamos means we speak. If we have to say we speak, we can say nosotros hablamos or simply hablamos. Vosotros habláis means you all speak. Vosotros habláis. Ellas, ustedes hablan means they speak. Ellos hablan. Ellas hablan. Ustedes hablan means they speak. Let's revise it quickly. We have learned that the conjugation for the AR ending verb hablar is yo hablo, tú hablas, ella, usted habla, nosotros hablamos, vosotros habláis, ellas, ustedes hablan. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please do like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family so that more people can learn out of it. Thank you.